Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at leverage and how to use it. Alright? So before I dive into this class, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Like my videos and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Alright? So before we look at that, we need to click a particular coin. We're going to use BTC as an example. Alright? Okay, and before we can still make this example clear, we're going to choose either to buy or to sell BTC. So we're going to choose to buy, like to buy long. Okay, this is where you find what we call a leverage. This place is leverage. This leverage can be reduced and it can be increased. It's currently in 10x. Okay, it's currently in what? In 10x. If you want to reduce this leverage, you can click on this little arrow down there, and this leverage can be reduced and also can be increased. So we're going to take an example. So we are going to click on this little arrow here, So clicking on the little arrow, it displays all the leverages. You can see this leverage has 1x, which is the minimum. It has 3x, it has 5x, it has 10x, it has 25x, it has 50x, and also has 100x and customized as well. So the question is, how does this leverage works? And how do you use this leverage? So the essence of this very class is for us to know what leverage is and how to use the leverage. Now, in a nutshell, leverage is like adding something in borrowed to your existing capital. Okay? Adding something to your existing capital. Let's say you have 100 USD you want to trade. You have 100 USD as a capital and you want to trade with 1000 USD. This is where leverage comes in. Okay, you have 100, that is good. Then you take a 10 leverage, it will now be 100 by what? Times 10. Which gives you what? 1000. It's very simple. 900 is borrowed, 100 is your capital. Okay? So leverage simply means adding something in borrowed to your existing capital or leveraging on an existing ground. Okay, why I call it an existing ground is because this leverage has been existing. All you just need to do is to come to that place to take something added to your own capital so that you can trade with much capital. I hope you are getting this. And if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it in the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. You understand? Okay, so the question now is, how do we use this leverage? Okay, let's say we're working with this 10 leverage. As we're working with this 10 leverage, we have a huge capital here. Okay, this place is a limit, but you can change it to market in order for you to what? To enter, to execute trade immediately, to execute trade instantly. Okay, now that we have taken a 10 leverage, let's say I want to trade with 100 USD, but for the sake of this, my leverage, I'm going to trade 1000 now. But what will be deducted from my capital? What will be deducted from my capital is just 100 USD. Take a note. Now I'll impute 100 here. 100 here. No, sorry, 1000. Okay, I'm trading with 1000, but what will be deducted from my capital is 100 USD. Okay, it's 100 USD. So how do you find out that? It's very simple. Look at this place. You can see the quantity I'm getting here is 0.1, which is good, correct? And the cost of this 0.1 is this 94.44. The few cents have been taken for a gas fee. The few cents has been taken for what? For a gas fee. Very simple. Very simple as that. Okay, now this for you to know that my cost for this is 94. The quantity I've gotten is 0.01 BTC. And coming to this place, I got to set my stop loss. Since I'm taking this for a long, I'm going to take my stop loss to 99. Okay, that's a 99,000. Okay, so when it got to this 99,000, I will earn over 50 USD. I will earn over 50 USD. You can look at it here. Pin it down here. That is P&L, profit and loss. Then my stop loss here, maybe I should fix it at 90. You can see, what will I lost? I will lost over 35. You can see? So it's very simple. So you can see how leverage is being used. So continuing this now will now show me the overview, the estimated liquidity price, and lots more. Okay, you can see whatever you set here will all be displayed here for you to understand how it really works. Okay, so if there is anything you don't understand here, please drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. In my next class, we're going to look at the isolated and the cross margin. We'll look at the DR difference so that we can know exactly how those things work. Then we'll know how to follow our trade up for profit. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.